How to remove video transitions in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the timeline where you added the transitions. Look carefully at the clips on the timeline. You can zoom in by holding the Alt key and scrolling your mouse wheel, or by using the zoom slider above the timeline. The transition appears between two clips, usually as a small box or shaded area. Now, just click on the transition box between the two clips. When it's selected, you will see a red border around it. That means it's active. Next, press the delete key on your keyboard. This will remove the transition and bring your clips back to a normal cut. If you use transitions on many cuts and want to remove them all at once, zoom out on the timeline, then hold the Ctrl key and click on each transition one by one. After selecting them, press delete. Another way is to right-click on the transition and choose delete from the menu that appears. This is useful if you prefer using the mouse instead of keyboard. And that's it. Now you know how to remove video transitions in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.